You've seen the hype. This AI tool will make you rich. Use this one to build a business with $0.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah, I tried them.
I already did that.
Free versions only. No upgrades, no guru packages, just raw testing. And here's the twist. The video you're watching right now, it was made using the exact same free AI tools I'm about to show you. Stick around till the end, because you'll see what actually worked and what absolutely flopped. First up, ChatGPT, your all-in-one brainstorming buddy, research assistant, joke writer, business mentor, coding tutor, life coach, allegedly. I didn't just say, hey, write my video. Nope, I treated it like a co-writer. Gave it direction, changed the tone, rewrote the jokes, basically did everything except fetch me coffee. Here's the interface, clean, friendly, and dangerously confident. I told it to help me build a YouTube script. It said, of course. I asked it to write a full business plan. Absolutely. I told it to solve world hunger, and you guessed it. Sure, here's a 7-step plan. Yeah, it'll say yes to everything, even if it has no idea what it's talking about. So, no, it didn't write this entire video, but it gave me 80% of the clay. I did the sculpting, sanding, and made sure it didn't accidentally tell you to invest in Dogecoin. Now let's talk about Canva. This thing's got a beautiful interface, super clean, super beginner friendly. If you already have a vision in your head, you can totally create something cool just using their free elements and templates. Like this one I made. Not gonna lie, kinda lame. Then there's the AI part. You can ask it to generate a thumbnail for you, and honestly, some of those results are pretty solid. Check this one out. I saw it and thought, okay, I see what you're trying to do. So what I did was took inspiration from that AI version, then tweaked it, added my own stuff, moved things around, basically turned it into something that felt more me. Bottom line, Canva lets you create from scratch or get a creative push from AI. Either way, it's free and it works.
It's completely hopeless.
Now let's talk about InVideo AI, the tool that tries to turn your words into YouTube gold. So here's the deal. There are different options inside InVideo. The free version, yeah, it mostly throws together stock images to match your script.
2,000 years later.
No fancy AI-generated visuals unless you go premium. And yes, there's a watermark that refuses to leave, like that one clingy X. But hear me out. If your script is solid, if your hook hits hard, most viewers won't even care. Personally, I don't. I just used the free version, took some inspiration, and rebuilt it my way.
Boom, done. Whether it's YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or business promos, it looks so professional that people think I hired someone I didn't. Give it a shot. You'll create more content in way less time. Let me show you exactly how it works, step by step. First, pick a template that matches your style or project. Next, add your own text, images, and video clips. You can drag and drop everything right where you want it. Customize the colors, fonts, and music to fit your brand or vibe. It's all super intuitive. When you're happy with your video, just hit export. In a few seconds, your pro-quality video is ready to share. The free version is perfect for testing things out, but just a heads up. It does include a watermark. Honestly, you don't need to hire a professional editor or spend hours learning complicated software, so why not give InVideo a try? Create more content in less time and make your videos stand out.
Leonardo AI is where things got spicy. It's like Midjourney's younger cousin who's trying really hard to impress, and honestly, not bad. I used it to generate visuals I couldn't find on stock sites. Logos, overlays, some trippy AI-styled stuff. Sure, sometimes it gives you a Picasso-looking mess when you wanted clean UI, but when it works, it works. I didn't use everything as is, of course. I picked the ones I liked, brought them into Canva, polished them up, made them look like I actually know what I'm doing. And this buttery smooth voice you're hearing? Not me. Shocker, it's ElevenLabs. I typed in my script, threw in a few short pause and sarcasm tags, and boom. AI voiceover that doesn't sound like a robot from 2004. The free version gives you limited minutes, but honestly, that's enough for short videos like this. So unless you're trying to record a 3-hour audiobook on AI and the inception of prompts, you'll be just fine.
I tried the top 5 free AI tools that everyone on YouTube is hyping up. And guess what? One literally saved me hours, while another just wasted my brain cells. Stay till the end, I've got receipts. I tried the top 5 free AI tools that everyone on YouTube is hyping up. And guess what? One literally saved me hours, while another just wasted my brain cells. Stay till the end, I've got receipts.
Now let me be real with you.
I am Iron Man.
Yes, I used all these tools, but I didn't rely on them blindly. I didn't just let AI do everything. I edited the script, I chose the visuals, I designed the final thumbnail myself. Even with premium versions, AI isn't some magic wand. It still needs one thing, your brain. You just watched a video made using free AI tools and a lot of human creativity. So what do you think? Did it feel useful, fun, or at least a little honest? If yes, smash that like button. And if you're broke but creative like me, hit subscribe. Because trust me, this was just the beginning.